There are 7 principles of persuasion. Now, I'm sure you've heard of all these words. I'm limited in time today, so we can't go deeply into every single one of them. But I want to touch on each individual one really briefly so you know what they're all about. So reciprocity functions on the fact that we are all brought up to give back the same type of behavior that's first given to us. And in the context of compliance, people are more likely to say yes to someone when they feel they owe that person something. That's why we always want to be the first person to give, right? Help people genuinely. Liking, pretty simple, people like to do business or deal with people that they like and trust. If I go to a stranger in the street and say, hey, I'm moving house this weekend, would you come and help me? Chances are I'll get a no, right? But if I ask one of my friends, chances are I'll get a yes. Unity is about a feeling of community that we both feel part of. And part of unity is also co-creation. Some companies have a habit of asking their audience, their clients, to give them information about the service that they're creating or the products that they're building. And it's been a very exciting development in the last 10, 20 years in Persuasion. Co-creation has developed some of the most loyal clients to customers because they feel part of the development of these products. And they're very forgiving when something actually goes wrong as well. It's brilliant. Social proof is that we follow the leads of others, especially when they're numerous and when they're similar to us. Right? If other people are doing it, I can't go too far wrong. When you go on bookings.com and you're looking for a hotel in a place you've never been before, 2 hotels, beautiful pictures, one with 1,000 reviews of happy people that spend a lot of time there, and the other hotel has 12 reviews. Chances are you're going to pick the one with 1,000 reviews because you think if that many people had a good time there, chances are it'll be good for me too. Authority is that people have a tendency to want to follow the lead of genuine experts. We're eager even to do so. And you and your sales team, you are also experts, but relaying your expertise to your audience is not as easy and straightforward as it turns out, but simple enough to learn. Consistency is that we have a tendency to want to stay true to our past actions and statements. It's like a personal promise to ourselves, and that's a very strong motivator in communication that we can link into. And then finally, scarcity. People value things more when they are scarce, when they're limited, or when they're dwindling in availability.